Global electric vehicle (EV) charging ports are expected to grow at an annual rate of 12.3% from 2026 to 2040, surpassing 26 million worldwide, according to a new report by consultancy Wood Mackenzie. Residential charging will remain the dominant segment, reaching 133 million ports by 2040. To support this expansion, global EV charging infrastructure spending is forecast to rise at a compound annual growth rate of 8%, hitting $300 billion by 2040. As utilization in public charging increases and infrastructure efficiency improves, the ratio of EVs to public chargers will rise from 7.5 battery electric vehicles per charger in 2025 to 14.2 in 2040, said Oliver McHugh, senior EV charging research analyst at Wood Mackenzie.